Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to install and use signature add-on in WP Forms. So let's get started. First, we need to install and activate the signature add-on. To do that, hover on to WP Forms and click on Add-ons. Now, from various available add-ons here, we need to find signature add-on. We need to install it. You can see the add-on has been activated. Now we will create a form and I will tell you how to use the signature add-on. For that, click on Add New under WP Forms. Select the template here as per your choice. Now you will find the signature field under Fancy Fields. Simply drag and drop the signature field to the form builder area. Customize, delete or add the fields as per your requirements. Now I will drag and drop the checkbox field to the form builder area. I simply need a single checkbox displayed here. You can edit the label as well. Now I want those who agree with our terms and conditions can check this box and sign below. So I had renamed the choice as well. Under the Advanced tab, I will simply enable the Hide Label option. Everything is customized here. Once done, click on the Save button. It's time to preview the form. You can see here, this is how the add-on works. Now you can view this entry under the Entries tab of WP Forms. So this was all about how to use signature add-on in WP Form. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you will receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.